In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira dashboard for a team. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Jira account, then head to the main For You page. This is usually the landing page when you first sign in, and it's where Jira shows you personalized information and quick links. From here, we're going to move into the Dashboards area, where all the team dashboards live. Look towards the navigation where you see the Dashboards option, and click on the highlighted area that takes you to Jira Dashboards. This will open the dashboard screen where you can see any existing dashboards you have access to. At the top, you'll see a button that says Create Dashboard. Go ahead and click that. This is how we start building a new space for your team's work. A panel will open asking for some details about your new dashboard. In the highlighted name field, type a clear, descriptive name. For example, you might use your team name plus the word dashboard, or something that reflects the project or purpose. A good name makes it easier for everyone to recognize it later. Next, you'll see options to configure who can see and use this dashboard. Click on the highlighted Permissions area. Here, you'll choose how you share the dashboard with others. Since this is for a team, we want to share it with a specific group rather than just keeping it private. Click on the Group option. This allows you to grant access to a defined Jira user group. Then, click on the highlighted drop-down or field where you can select which group you want. Again, choose Group, and from the list that appears, pick the relevant group that represents your team. In this example, a group like the General Jira Users Group is selected so that members of that group can see the dashboard. Once you've chosen the group, confirm it by clicking on the highlighted confirmation area. You may see the group name appear in the list of people or groups with access. If there are multiple permission sections, repeat the process by selecting the group again where needed, ensuring both viewing and editing permissions are set the way you want. When you're happy with the name and permissions, click on Save. Jira will now create your dashboard and take you into the Edit view. In the Edit view, click the highlighted area to begin configuring the layout and gadgets. When you're finished with the initial setup, click Done to exit that editing mode. If you need to adjust anything later, you can always return to this dashboard and click Edit to make further changes for your team.